Many times, in the smartphone specification, you can find information on water and dust resistance. In this video, you can find out what those numbers mean. IP is just a shortcut for International Protection Rating. The first number after IP means smartphone resistance against solid particles. The second number means smartphone resistance against water. There is also a possibility of 2 additional letters, increasing the information about protection. But we will come back to that later. Let me tell you exactly what the first number after IP means. Number 1 is protection against dangerous solid parts of size 50 mm or larger. Number 2 is protection against dangerous solid parts that are 12.5 mm or larger. Number 3 is protection against dangerous solid parts that are 2.5 mm or larger. Number 4 is protection against dangerous solid parts that are 1 mm or larger. Number 5 is protection against dust-limited ingress, no harmful deposits. And finally, number 6 is complete protection against solid materials, like against hard contact with dust. The second number in IP specification means smartphone resistance against water penetration. Let me tell you now what the exact number means. Number 1 is protection against drops of water when the phone is in a vertical position. Number 2 is protection against drops of water when the phone is 15 degrees deviated from the vertical position. Number 3 is protection against water spraying up to 60 degrees deviated from the vertical position. Number 4 is protection against water spraying, position is not important. Number 5 is protection against cleaning, up to 12.5 liters per minute. So you can clean your phone under a weak water stream. Number 6 is protection against hard cleaning, up to 100 liters per minute. So you can clean your phone under tap water. Number 7 is protection against dipping into the water, up to 30 minutes, in a maximum of 1 meter deep. Famous number 8 is protection against dipping into the water. Values are not specific. Level 8 is an agreement between the manufacturer and a user. For example, it can be dipped into the water for up to 60 minutes, in a maximum of 10 meters deep. Number 9 is protection against flooding with a strong stream of water, under pressure, from 80 to 100 bars, and temperature plus 80 degrees Celsius. Let us come back to 2 additional letters, increasing the information about protection. The first additional letter means that the enclosure provides protection for people against access to hazardous parts. Letter A means protection against access to hazardous parts with the hand. Letter B means protection against access to hazardous parts with the finger. Letter C means protection against access to hazardous parts with the tool. Letter D means protection against access to hazardous parts by wire. Second, the additional letter means such exceptional cases, when additional procedures need to be specified during the tests, like testing the harmful effect of water penetration. Letter H means high voltage apparatus uses during tests. Letter M means test effects of water ingress when moving parts of the equipment are in motion, like rotor of a rotating machine. Letter S means test effects of water ingress when moving parts of the equipment are stationary, like the stopped rotor of a rotating machine. Letter W means the device is suitable for use in specific weather conditions, with additional treatments or protection measures. I hope you found the answers to IP numbers in this video. If you are looking for more information about new technology, visit my website for an ebook about smartphones. You can also contact me on Facebook, Instagram, Google, or directly on my website.